Hello PawPaw lovers, happy spring. Today I want to share a little bit about shaping and pruning a young pawpaw tree. Now I grow pawpaws for maximum fruit production. These are grafted cultivars that produce upwards of 2 pounds sized fruits, size of a large mango, which means that I want to be able to reach my fruit easily because pawpaws bruise very quickly if they fall to the ground. So being able to access and reach your pawpaw fruit by hand is really important for top quality fruit. So I like to keep my trees at about 6 to 8 feet tall. I like to keep my laterals back at about 4 feet in length. Keeping the laterals back is important because if a pawpaw branch is extended and full of fruit, it weighs down and it can hit the ground, it can get funky or get in the way if you're trying to mow around it. I also like to pull up the branches at the bottom about 16 to 24 inches, keep airflow going through here. This is a great way to stimulate your pawpaw fruiting as well, since pawpaws fruit on last year's growth. So when you're cutting back your pawpaw, you're pulsing it to get new growth and you'll get more fruit buds and more fruit. Now of course, one of the beauties of the pawpaw is that you don't have to prune it. It will in full sun reach up to 15 feet tall. There'll be lots of gorgeous fruit way up high. You're just gonna have to look at it, and when it comes down and splats, then yeah, you can scrape it up or you can prune your pawpaws.